What's up, guys? So we're here down at Westgate getting ready for NITRO Circus. Very excited, and now we're here getting a little dinner before the extravaganza begins. But we have a surprise. We had an extra ticket, and so we invited this crazy-looking kid right here. Oh yeah, we got some banging veggie pizza right here. Bryce is getting down. Oh, is it hot? Oh, I told you.
That part was so good. Not hot.
Not hot, not hot. Hot? You haven't tried it yet, you haven't tried it yet.
But it's definitely hot enough where it will fall apart.
Yep. Yeah. All right, we all got full bellies now. It's time to head over to jobbing.com arena for NITRO Circus Live! Alright guys, so we're here and I just got my tickets and found out we're in the suites. The suites for an event like this, it's gonna be awesome! Alright guys, so it's halftime, or intermission. First half, it's been epic thus far. What's been your favorite thing so far?
I like the dirt bikes and the bicycles.
The dirt bikes and bicycles? And what's been like your favorite trick so far?
When people let go.
They let go of the bikes?
Yeah.
What's been your favorite thing so far?
I like the big, huge ramp, and then I like how the dirt bikes did all the flips.
The dirt bikes all the
So
flips?
like I like everything that went on the ramp, and then I like the dirt
Everything
bikes
on the
did
ramp. Yeah, the ramp's your favorite.
Remember
What about you? What's been your favorite thing?
the beginning show?
The fireworks instead of the light show? Yeah, you're a fan of fireworks? Still got a whole nother hour to go, guys. It's gonna be awesome!
The snow's gonna start. Daddy, how much fun?
Getting ready to do a double backflip on a dirt bike. Oh my god, you guys, that was epic. The most epic tricks I've ever seen. X Games on steroids. Bryce, what was your favorite part, dude?
I liked when the dirt bikes were doing backflips.
The backflips? Yeah, dude.
I liked the big ramp.
The big ramp? But
And then I like the wheelchair guy.
Favorite part on the wheelchair guy?
Yeah, he's cool.
Why? What did he remind you of?
The Happy Wheels guy, because
The
he
guy
had a
from
little
Happy
rocket
Wheels?
on the back of him.
What about you, man? What was your favorite part?
When he shot the firework in the beginning.
Shot the fireworks when he shot the fireworks? Alright guys, that was epic. Hands down, one of the best shows I've ever seen. Extreme sports for the win. Kids had a blast. Gotta give a shout out to Braden's mom, Jamie. She's the one who hooked us up with the tickets. So Jamie, thank you very much if you happen to watch this. Very much appreciated. Kids absolutely loved it. And I'm pretty sure my audience members did it too. Tomorrow, guys, action-packed day. Sierra's got 2 volleyball games. Bryce has a basketball game. Then they're going to my mom's house for a sleepover, and then me and Tiffany are going to go out, have a little date night action. So stay tuned. Check back tomorrow for that, and we'll see you then. Vlog on. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Click down here to subscribe for future videos, or check out yesterday's vlog, last year's vlog, or other great channels that we have. Of course, all these links are down in the description if you're watching on a mobile or a tablet. We'll see you tomorrow.